10 years of experience in SAP. Worked with Infosys. And today we are going to discuss in SAP how to create a plant. So already we discussed in the last class how to create company and company code, business areas and functional areas and other things. Today we are going to discuss plant. Here in SAP this is one of the important activity. We are going to create plant, storage location and all. So what is plant? Here, a plant is an organizational logistics unit that structures the enterprise from the perspective of production, procurement, plant maintenance, and materials planning. So finally, a plant is a manufacturing facility or a branch within a company. So plant is nothing but a branch of a company. That is one single word you can say. And you need to understand plant is a manufacturing facility or a branch within the company. That is the thing. The transaction code to create the plant, we are using OX10. And here we are using the path, enterprise structure, definition, logistic general, define, copy, delete, check company code. This is the path we are using, or directly we can use OX10, the transaction code. You should be very careful. You need to remember all transaction codes because in interview time also they will ask you the transaction codes. So once you go with the path, you will get defined plant. You click on the defined plant. I will show you practically now. Find the plant. So IMG enterprise structure, definition, logistic general. Remember, double click on defined plant, click on new entries. Here, like this, it will come, you see here. So plant name, plant code that is, and plant name, and the address, complete address we had to give. Here, the important thing, factory calendar is India. And here, the next, it will come, we have to give all the details of the company, mobile number, fax number, everything we can give for this. Copy, delete, check company plant. Here, you can understand the plant. Here, we need to understand there are two options. You want to define the new plant or you want to copy the plant. Yes, Madhu. Right now, after class, there are two options. You can create new plant or you can copy from the existing plant. You want to create the new plant, we have to take this option. Which one? Define plant. And you want to copy from other plant to this plant, you have to take copy, delete, check plant. So when you select the second one, you have to do like this, from plant and to plant here. And it will ask data is already exists. It will come like this. We can go with this. So this is the way of creating the plant. If you have any doubt, directly you can ask me. And here you can see, note down. Number. If you have any doubts, you can call me. Let us go with practical thing. So here, you please see. Practically, I want to show you here. I told you, you can go with the directly transaction code. This is the place where we can give the transaction code. OX10. Directly, you will enter the new plants. You can create the new plants. Or if you want to go with the path, you can go like this. SPRO. SAP reference IMG. Enterprise structure. Logistic general. enterprise structure, define, copy, delete, check plant. There are two options. One is define plant, one is copy, delete, check plant. Okay. So you can go with the define plant. We are choosing define plant. We are creating the new plant here. You see here, already we created the plant. What is the plant? NM08 plant already we created. So actually we had to give here NM08 like this. Okay. NM08 and here plant name also Pennar plant. We had to give here factory calendar IN India. So you can see here. Just an F4. Factory calendar Germany, factory calendar India. So you can see here what is factory calendar. We are taking India. Actually, when you are trying to say already we did this, so it will say already exists. So just close this. NM08. You can see here Pennar plant, double click on this, whatever we had given, you can see here. And here, so plant already created, just I am showing this. Next we can go with the storage location. Yes. So here, next we need to go with storage location. See location, storage location. This is the where we can use the storage location. I hope this also we created NM08, I think. Yeah, this is the location. This is, but what is the path for storage location? Let us go into our material. Yeah, next is the plant is done. Plant, we can go with the storage location. Storage location is what? What is storage location? Try to understand. An organizational unit that allows the differentiation of material stocks within the plant. For example, we have some manufactured unit. For example, in the plant, I told you what is the plant. It is the one part of our company, branch of the company. In plant, again, we can separate the materials. Means there are 3-4 materials. We can separate the places where we can keep the materials. That is called storage location. Here you need to understand an organizational unit that allows the differentiation of the material stocks within the plant. Inventory management on quality basis is carried out at storage location level in the plant. This is inventory. The transaction code OX09 and IMG enterprise structure definition material management. This is the path. Got my point? So please continue. So if I give the transaction code directly, how it is coming? OX09. This OX09 actually \n because you are in the other screen. So you need to do \n OX09. This is the transaction code. Here you can see the plant. What is our plant? NM08. Proceed now. we need to understand storage location. Once you had given storage location, this will come. Here empty will come. Actually, this we created. Click on new entry. It will come like this. Already we had given the data. That's why it is coming like this. Here already, if you select this and give the address of the storage location, we had given the address here. How the address given is, you click on this, you can see the address. This is the company storage location address. Storage location 2 address also we had given. You click on this, you will get the storage location address. Like this, you need to understand. And let us go back. So today we understood that how to create storage location, how to create the plant.
So once we create these storage locations, we have this, right?
Okay.
So after giving this one, so we have to
Business systems EMI that you are asking.
Yeah.
Not required present. That is not required. Okay. Shiva Hardware, yours.
I have done.
Okay, fine. Next, we need to go with we need to understand what is our next topic. See, purchase organization or purchase group. Here we are going to discuss purchase organization or purchase group. Storage location is done. See, address of the storage location. Of the storage location. Path 09, YX09, please remember. Here. Purchasing organization or group. A purchasing organization is organizational level that negotiates conditions of purchase with vendors for one or more plants or it is legally responsible for completing purchasing contracts. A purchasing group is the key. Our next topic is purchasing organization or group. A purchasing group is the key for a buyer or group of buyers responsible for certain purchasing activities. So you need to understand here the transaction code is OX09. The path is IMG enterprise structure, definition, material management, maintain purchase organization. Try to understand. Here, click on new entries. Click on new entries. Here, purchase organization we had given. Enter purchase organization code. Next, SPRO, IMG material management, purchasing group. Here, purchasing group we are creating. See, purchasing group H01, H02, some names given here. Next, assignments. Assign company code to company. This already we did. Assign company code to company we did. Assign plant to company code we did. Assign purchase organization to company code. Assign purchase organization to plant. So we are interlinking all these things. What we are interlinking? Purchase organization, plant to storage location to company. Like that we are giving interlink between all these this thing. So here first we need to go with here if you can understand the next thing is maintain purchase organization. This is our next step. So you want to see the transaction code from here also you can see the transaction code IC activity. Here you can see maintain purchase organization OX08 series. Maintain purchase organization last 4 digits transaction code here. OX08, maintain storage location OX09. So click here, new entries, purchase organization, I am giving NM08 only. Is organization. Purchase organization. Let us save this.
No. You have to change one request. Wait. Already saved that.
Company name Pennar. When you are saving, save in your company request. That is better. Let's go back. So purchase organization is done. Purchase organization is created. Maintaining purchase organization, purchase group is required. What is a purchase group? You need to understand OX08 is the purchase organization, transaction code, already I told you. After that purchase organization came, next SPRO, IMG, material management, purchasing group. Purchasing group, see this. Let's go with the path. Material managements. IMG. Materials management. They told, see the path.
Management.
Material management. Yes. Purchasing. Yes.
Purchase group.
Purchasing. Purchase group. See this. Purchase requisition. Purchase organization. What is that?
Purchase group.
Purchase group. Logistic general is not there. Material management, purchasing group. Okay. This is different. This is under the different way. Purchase order also different. Purchase number ranges, document types, this and all. I will explain. Not now. Here, purchase organization group. Here, what will happen? ECC 6.0, some changes are there. We need to understand. IMG activity. Logistic general. In logistic general, what we are doing actually, before path you see here, what is the before path? Purchase.
Material management. So maintain purchase organization.
Enterprise structure definition, material management. Enterprise structure. Enterprise structure, tell me.
Definition.
Material management. Yes, next.
Maintain purchase organization.
Maintain purchasing organization. Correct or not? This is done. So here new entries, already we created this NM08. We are giving here. This is just purchase organization. Correct or not?
SPRO. IMG material.
That is not because system will change. It's updating. IMG, materials management. When it is required, we can create. That's not a problem.
New one.
Can create. Purchasing, correct? Purchasing, okay.
Purchase.
Yes.
Purchase group.
Purchase group is not required here. There is some modifications here. Already purchasing came. Material master data. Purchasing group is not required here.
Okay. Group is nothing but like.
Okay, fine. That's okay. That's okay. We'll go to the next topic. How much is done? Purchasing group is done.
Your assignment to company code you have done already.
Assignment is not done. See, I'll show you the assignment.
Okay.
1 second. Enterprise structure,
Assignment,
assignment,
accounting,
financial accounting.
assign company code to company.
That is done.
It's done already.
Already done, right?
Yes.
Assign company code to credit
Already,
control agent.
once we're transferring any data, we should
See,
know that.
assign plan to company code given or not?
Given already.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay. Material management, had you given? See, this is important.
Yeah.
We need to understand. Assign purchase organization to,
Company code.
that is not given. This is not given. What is the company purchase organization? NM08. Just now I told you. Company code is not given here. See. We need to give this. NM08. NM08. Save this. This is the way of doing the assignment here. Purchase organization given. Assign purchase organization to plant. This is important. Here, position. This purchase organization, NM08. Plant. Organization, NM. Plant not KEMA. We need to create new entries. What is the purchase organization? Purchase organization. What is the plant? NM. This is one important.
Everything we have to give new entries.
Yes, exactly. Exactly. And if it is not there, we need to create new one. This is done. So today class, what we did? Plant, storage location, purchase organization, purchase group, purchase organization connected to plant, purchase plant connected to company code to company. All these things is done. Okay. Have a good time. Practice well.
One day I will come by you.